Ever wonder why AI dubbing sometimes sounds off? You run a video through it and the lips don't match, or the voice falls flat. A solid AI dubbing tool handles most videos pretty well, even messy ones. But a few small things in your original can take it from good to flawless. Here's how. Keep the mouth visible. AI lip sync follows your lips, so a heavy beard, a side angle, or a mic right in front of your face gives it less to work with. Second, one voice at a time. When everyone talks over each other, it's harder for the AI to tell who's who. Perso dubbing actually separates each speaker and dubs them one by one, and the cleaner they're split in your original, the smoother that comes out. Third, your voice needs to come through clearly. If music or noise is as loud as you are, it's harder to get a clean result. If that's your video, try Perso dubbing's audio separation first. It splits your voice and the background into separate tracks, so you can handle each one on its own before you dub. Fourth, speak clearly. Mumbled or rushed words can get transcribed wrong, which throws off the translation. But if it does, just run the dub anyway. Then edit the script directly in Perso dubbing and fix the line. And fifth, go easy on fast cuts. Rapid jumps and quick zooms make lip sync lose track. Steadier shots give it a clean face to follow. So here's a video that follows all of this.
It's not the algorithm that decides what goes viral. It's the first 3 seconds that do all the work.
Run it through Perso dubbing and it clones your voice into the new language and locks the lip sync on.
Y aquí es donde la mayoría falla. No es el algoritmo quien viraliza, sino los primeros 3 segundos que hacen todo el trabajo.
Clean in, clean out. That's the secret to AI dubbing with lip sync that actually sounds like you.